I'm here with Scott Kirkpatrick from Radcliff Wire in Bristol, Connecticut. And Radcliff Wire specializes in shaped wire,
Yep, shaped, round, all the various metals.
different types of alloys.
Yep.
And Radcliff Wire has been using our Rust Guard Premium VCI bags for a long time now, Scott, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
You know how long you've been using them?
I would say we began about 3 or 4 years ago because we had a desperate need to take care of a problem we had in the medical industry, and wrapping spools with your bags have been extremely helpful.
Great. What type of application do you use the bags for?
The bags actually go around spools and reels, and we usually use it with the copper-based materials that are again used in the medical industry.
Great. That would be our multi-metal formulation, BCI formulation.
Yeah, and I think we use the green bag and the blue bag depending on what the size is.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
And they've been very helpful. Our customers really appreciate it because they store the material in their warehouses for a while. They'll use it and then they'll repackage it in your bag. So
Great,
it's been great.
So everything's working out well with the bags?
Extremely well.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Would you recommend green packaging to other companies that are in your industry?
Absolutely, and I have done so quite often.
Thank you.
It works out quite well.
Thank you, Scott.
Friend.
Contact us today for your free corrosion consultation, samples, or a price quotation. We'll end your rust problems once and for all.